Their journey began at the Indian Military Academy in Dehradun, where they donned the gentleman cadet uniform. As they marched through the imposing portals of Chetwood Hall, they entered a world where discipline, duty, and valor were more than just words. They were a way of life. In the 25 years since then, the hairlines have receded. Spectacles have added glamour to the handsome faces, and bulging biceps have given way to bulging paunches. However, what hasn't changed is the same excitement, childlike joy and contentment of bumping into each other at unimaginable places. In this journey of a quarter of a century, we have carved an indelible mark and excelled in all fields, individually and collectively.
हाँ, यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ, यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
On a grey morning on 12th June 1999, the rains threatened to almost wash out the passing out parade of 104 regular, 87 tech, and 7 UES course. However, the God was kind enough to not let us go through the ordeal of the dreaded Plan B, and 530 gentlemen cadets, including 30 from friendly foreign countries, marched in unison across the Antim Pag, and out walked the lieutenants ready to take on the world. With more than 40 gallantry awards, including an Ashok Chakra, 3 Kirti Chakra, and a bountiful of Shaurya Chakra and Sena medals, are a testimony to the bravery and commitment of the cause to the nation. We are proud to have trained, toiled, laughed and cried with men like Unni Krishnan, K.P. Vinay, D.K. Jha, Kotwal, and all those who left us midway and attained glory which others can only dream of. Today, we raise a toast to all our fallen brothers who, though not with us in this moment, but are always in our thoughts and prayers. And I'm sure they are also smiling on us from heavens above.
Duty bound. Honestly and faithfully.
Honestly and faithfully.
Serve serve in the regular army. Of the Union of India. And go wherever ordered. By land. Sea. Or air. And that. I will observe and obey. All commands. Of the President. Of the Union of India. And the commands of any officer set over me. Even to the peril of my life.
हम रहे या ना रहे कल.
So today, let's have a loudest cheer for our boys in Valhalla and for all of us mere mortals who live on and carry the legacy of 104 regular, 87 tech and 7 UES.
चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी.